NASA man, joins us now from space.
That's right, Marianne, joining you now live from space to tell you all about this powerful new tool. It's called the James Webb Space Telescope. It will be a look into the first galaxies that formed in the early universe. Dr. Begonia Villa joins us now from NASA to talk a little bit about what's going on with this thing. Doctor, thank you very much for joining us. Now, I understand that the satellite right now is in a clean room. Could you explain to us what a clean room means? Because I have 2 small children, and everything in my house is sticky.
Hello, NASA man. Yes, so a clean room is a place that we have to keep all the instruments really clean, and you can see, I think, on the live feed now, you can see how that wall on the back is our HEPA filters, which is like a vacuum. So we keep everything in there really clean because we cannot have anything dirty before we launch it into space. And what you can see there is we just finished the testing campaign. We have vibrated and submitted the observatory to the acoustics. And now we are checking in there that everything works. We can see if the mirrors are still in the right shape, if they're properly aligned. And we can also turn the instruments and check everything is still working as it should.
So cool. Now, how big is it again? 3 stories, is that right?
Right, yes, it's as big as 3 stories high, and that sun shield that people are familiar to see is as big as a tennis court. Yeah. And for comparison, people are familiar with Hubble. Hubble is about the size of a school bus, so this one is indeed much bigger and much complex.
Wow. Okay, so you just mentioned Hubble. What's the difference? What will we be able to see better than Hubble? I know it's bigger, but will we be able to see better?
Right, yes. So one of the things is it's bigger, so we have a bigger mirror. The mirror is about 7 times bigger than the one from Hubble. So then you can collect more light, and we can look back further in time to the first galaxies and stars that were formed in the universe. And also we are looking on the infrared. Hubble is mainly an optical instrument like our eyes. We are looking in the infrared, which is the heat, and that lets you look behind the clouds of gas and dust where the stars and the planets are forming.
Oh, that's exciting. That's really exciting. Okay, so we just had some discoveries, the TRAPPIST-1 planets and everything. Will we be focusing on those since we have this fancy new telescope?
Indeed, James Webb is an optimized observatory to look for this kind of thing. What we can do is look at planets like TRAPPIST-1 or other planets around other stars and check their atmosphere and see what is that atmosphere made of. And what we are looking for are things like oxygen, carbon dioxide. We want to know if those planets have liquid water, because that's the kind of life we know. We know we need the water to have the life.
Now, where is it going to be placed in space? I understand you're going to put it a little further away, and then explain to us why that's going to be helpful.
Yes, so we are going to be 1 million miles away from the Earth. That's about 4 times further away than the Moon. And that has a few advantages. One of them is that it's a place where we can stay in that orbit easier without using too much of the fuel. But the other big advantage is we can open that big sun shield, which is like a beach umbrella, and point it at the sun, which is in the other direction. And then the telescope, the mirrors, and the instruments can get very cold, which is what we need to be able to observe on the infrared.
I'm so excited about this. I cannot wait. When is launch? When are we launching?
It's in the fall of next year, 2018, so we are all really excited because indeed we are almost there.
And then when is lunch? Because I'm very hungry. When is lunch? You don't have to answer that.
The launch is it's October of 2018, and you can follow us on jwst.nasa.gov. We have all the information about the science and the technology, lots of videos and pictures of the testing to date, and you can see what we are going to be doing in these next 2 years to get there, and it's super exciting. So, I hope you all can join us.
Oh, I love it. I love it. All right, thank you very much for joining us. I really appreciate it. I'll see you at the launch mixer later on in the month. People don't know this, but we have launch mixers.
Thank you very much. My pleasure.
Bye, Doctor.
Very nice. And appreciate